Hello, I'm Sean Michael Walker, PGI Senior Vice President, and I wanted to make a quick video about an experience I have every morning on the way to work. For those of you who know me well, you know I always have a Diet Coke close by. Each morning on the way to the office, I stop and get a very large Diet Coke. But here's the important part. Each morning on my way to get that Diet Coke, I drive through a 7-Eleven gas station parking lot to get to a QT gas station. Let that sink in. I drive every day through a 7-Eleven parking lot to get to 7-Eleven's next door neighbor and competitor, QT. Why? Why would I do this? Why would I take the time to go a little further each morning? The price is going to be the exact same, if not slightly higher. The product is going to be the exact same. They are both gas stations. What could be so materially different about QT that I am willing to literally drive through the 7-Eleven parking lot to get to their competitor and to pay slightly more? Here's a quick side note. I'll even buy a Diet Coke from Chick-fil-A and spend 100% more for it than I would at QT or 7-Eleven. Let that sink in as well. I propose to you it's the experience they provide. The experience is a little cleaner. It's a little brighter. The customer service is a little better. The person behind the counter is trained to work 2 or 3 cash registers at a time, cranking out customers faster. They say welcome in to everyone who comes in. They say we'll see you tomorrow as they leave. Oh, and I can add a little flavoring to my Diet Coke if I'm feeling wild that morning. There are hundreds of gas stations for me to choose from. There are also hundreds of insurance agencies. And just like gas stations, no independent agency has a price advantage over another agency. No agency has product advantage over another agency. So what would make a customer choose one agency over another? What makes your agency special? Do you offer personalized consultations and education? How do you communicate your value and ethics to clients? Do your clients have your cell phone, or can they get in touch with you when they need you? When you answer their calls, do you call them by name? I encourage you to take some time to reflect on the small impressions a client might find meaningful to them. Are your processes more streamlined than other agencies? Do you have a better renewal process that makes them feel like you understand and are aware of their rate increases and financial pain? Is your office more professional than the other agent's office down the street? Do you keep office hours? Do you communicate in a monthly newsletter? Do you do video presentations of their options and the policies and coverages you recommend? Does your agency have a minimum coverage threshold? And do you explain why you won't sell a policy under that threshold? Do they understand? Do you remind them how much you saved them over the last decade? Do you have an email that ends with your business name versus a Gmail address? Do they understand what you do for the community? Do they know how you fight for your clients on claims that are not going well? Do they just know and respect that you are an agent that does things the right way and your ethics are uncompromisable? Folks, I love my Diet Coke. In reality, I don't care who sells it to me each morning. What I really care about are the small things that are hard to define, that sway my decision every morning. Is this a safe place? Is it clean? Are they fast? Is the Coke carbonated well? Do I have to get out of my car on a cold day? If so, are the walks clean? Is it under $2? Can I add flavoring? Are they friendly? Is it in a cup that will keep it colder longer? The American consumer has these micro thoughts about insurance as well. They are equally as hard to identify and define and cater to, but they are a part of the consumer's subconscious and they matter. As I wrap up, let me ask again, what makes your agencies better than the agency down the street? What are the little things that set you apart from the 100 other agencies on your side of town? How do you cater to their subconscious concerns and how do you resolve them? Thanks for watching. See you next time.